Grovia Reusable Diaper Pail Liner for Baby Cloth Diapers by Grovia is one of the best baby diaper pail liners products. Washable pail liners are a necessity when cloth diapering. Packs up small and is easy to use with cord and gusset. The polyester cord allows for easy use with your current diaper pail, keeping the bag from slipping off, and when it comes time for laundry it turns into a perfect tote bag. Fairly and conscientiously made in China. Designed for use with cloth diapering, this diaper pail liner packs up to a small size and is easy to use with the polyester cord with toggle and gusset. Sized at approximately 25 inches wide by 27 inches long. Laundry made easy, the polyester cord allows for easy use with your current nursery diaper pail, keeping the bag from slipping off. When it comes time for laundry, the pail liner turns into a perfect portable tote bag. Made with safe materials. Made from 100% water-resistant polyester TPU, the pail liner is perfect for holding dirty cloth diapers, hybrid shells, soaker pads, boosters, pre-folds, and more. Nursery essential, often an overlooked cloth diapering accessory, the pail liner is a great gift for expectant parents for a complete nursery. Machine washable, wash on warm and tumble dry.